Hi guys, what's up? This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how to make $500 a day just from Google search. That's right, you can earn money in the comfort of your own home with just your mobile device and a strong internet connection. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like, and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Did you guys know that you can make money just by making Google searches? For most people, they just do random Google searches, not knowing that they can get paid and earn money just by doing that. And then there's this small group of people who are taking advantage of this trick and using it to generate passive income. Today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you the strategic method that you can use to generate passive income from anywhere in the world with just a mobile device and a strong internet connection. So if you want to find out step by step what to do to utilize this method, stay tuned. So let's get on with the video. The first thing that I want you to do is to go on Google and search for the keyword MindSumo. After you search this, click on the first link, which is MindSumo. All I want you guys to do is to click on that link, and that's going to take you to the homepage of the website. Now, this is the website that we're going to use combined with Google to make you tons and tons of cash. Now, let me tell you guys that MindSumo is a legitimate website. They've even got big partners like Johnson & Johnson, Pepsi, Nestle, Microsoft, Spotify, and all of these big brands. So if you guys are doubting this, don't, because they are 100% legitimate, and I'm sure that they can help you create the side hustle that you want. Right now, what I want to do is to show you the earning potential of this website. A lot of people are using this website to earn a lot of cash. Just take a look at this $20,000, and then right next to it, there's $1,600, and then there's $350. Just scroll down and explore the website. I mean, you can find literally a lot of opportunities just by scrolling through the website. So take a breath and explore to see what it has to offer for you. There are literally unlimited opportunities on this website, and all you need to do is to learn this simple Google trick that can generate you passive income. We'll get to that in a bit. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to teach you guys how to make a free account on this website. Okay, so just go to the website and click the button with the title, I am a problem solver, and then it's going to take you to this page. What I want you to do is to click on the login sign up button on the top right of the screen. From there, you can just create a free account. Just click on the Don't Have an Account Yet link, and then it's going to take you to a page where you need to fill in all of the necessary information. So just go ahead and fill in all of the necessary stuff that you need to fill in. Now for the 3 skill areas, what I recommend is that you select above average and then just read the terms and conditions carefully before you agree with them. After that, just check the privacy policy. Click on I am not a robot and click on the sign up button. Once you log into your account and explore, you're going to see that there are a lot of projects and challenges that you can join in order to make money. In the last section, you can see that there are a lot of different categories there, like business, engineering, computer science, food, and so on. What I wanted to do from here is to focus on this particular category, which is computer science. Just click on this link, and once you do that, it's going to filter out all of the projects and challenges under this category that's going to pay you with the highest amount of money. For example, this project right here is about how AI technology can help us. So if you can see this project right here, it shows that you can earn about $600. So what you're going to do is just click on this link, and then as you can see, you're gonna come over to this page where there is a question posted. The question is, how can AI technology help us to write? What you're going to do is you're going to submit an answer on articles, and then you can get paid just by doing that. As you can see here, there are so many people who are actually doing this, who are actually utilizing this method. You can see here that there are over 90 submissions, and all of these people get paid by submitting answers to these questions. It's amazing how there are so many people who literally earn cash just by submitting their answers on this website. Now what you can do is you can use this particular Google trick, and I will get to that in a moment. Now what I want you to do is to go back to Google and search for this particular keyword. Ready? It's Google Docs. Yes, I want you guys to search for Google Docs. Once you're in it, what I want you to do is to click on the colorful plus sign and then just open up a blank document. So now we're going to go back to MindSumo and copy the question. And then what I want you to do is to go to Google and then paste it. How can AI help write? And then we're gonna look for answers. So just scroll there, and as you can see, this exact question is in Quora. We're going to go on Quora and we're going to search for people who posted answers to this question. Hopefully, we find a good answer on this site so that we can actually submit this on MindSumo and start making money off of this. So for example, this girl right here on Quora posted a really good answer. It's complete, it's concise, and it's basically a good answer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and highlight her answer, copy it, and then we're going to paste it on our blank Google document. But it's not going to end there. We're going to look for more answers. So the idea here is to go back to Google and then you search for other good answers. And when you see another good answer to this question, you're going to copy and paste it again. The concept is really simple. It's that you combine answers so that we can really provide a cohesive, professional-looking answer to this question. So basically, you just keep doing this, just keep repeating the process. For example, I'm going to go back to the site, the second site that I visited, and then I'm going to copy the second bullet point, and then I'm just going to go ahead and paste it again in the Google Docs. So you just have to repeat this system until you're confident that you have a really professional-looking answer that you can post in MindSumo. Now, I'm going to give you a pro tip. I want you to change the title of your Google document to MindSumo Challenge, How AI Technology Can Help Us Write. And then just go ahead and also make this title in the document itself. So I'm going to change the size to 24 so that it looks bigger and more professional looking. And then I'm just going to change the color of the title so that it seems different than the regular size text in the document. I'm going to scan over my answers real quick and I'm going to delete this since I found a better answer already. After that, I'm going to quickly edit the format of the document. So for this, the first point is smart proofreading. So I'm just going to go ahead and number it. I'm going to list all of the main points so the document looks organized. So we'll just keep repeating this. Keep repeating this process if you have more answers or main points. And then once you're done editing and proofreading your document, just click File, Download, and choose PDF document as the format you're going to download your Google Docs in. So click on PDF and then it's going to download on your computer. You can do this on your phone or you can do this on your computer as well. So as you can see, this is a very professional looking answer that you can post on MindSumo. It's cohesive. It has all the points that the reader might be looking for. So from there, you can just submit your answer to MindSumo and you can start earning money just by doing that. There it is. You can start earning money by using this simple Google trick and submitting your answers on MindSumo.com. That's the whole gist of it. Now, there are a lot of challenges and projects that you can work on. There are tons of opportunities that you can literally utilize so you can start earning money online. Once again, this has been Dark Money Secrets, and if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything.